Now let me call the second presenter, representing German Chemical Society, Dr. Michael Droescher.
At birthday parties, friends meet, talk, exchange news, and celebrate with the person of honor. In science, we celebrate birthdays with scientific exchange. And that is what we do today together here, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all heartily to this marvelous event on behalf of the Gesellschaft Deutscher Chemiker, the German Chemical Society. And I'm very delighted to bring the best greetings to our host, the Japanese Chemical Society. Dear Japanese friends, you host this meeting in difficult times, and at this occasion I would like to express my sorrow for the victims of the earthquake and the tsunami, and extend my heartfelt sympathy to those who have suffered both physically and emotionally in this tragedy. But science should also be a good remedy, and therefore let me express a very warm welcome to the speakers representing the highest excellence in chemistry. When I welcome the speakers, I have to excuse one of them. Professor Hartmut Michel sends his apologies. He recently had an accident. I think he was pruning a tree, so he fell from a ladder and in his garden. He is not fully recovered yet, and he could not do the long trip to Japan, so he sent his greeting and he's sorry that he could not attend. Before I focus on today's event, let me give a short view of the German Chemical Society. We are the largest chemical society in continental Europe, with almost 30,000 members from academia, industry and other areas. With history reaching back to 1867, we are one of the oldest societies of chemists in the world. Over all the time, the membership includes 36 Nobel Prize winners, an impressive confirmation of the international standing of the German chemical research. We support chemistry in teaching and research, and we undertake a strong effort to improve the public understanding of chemistry. As a main task, we see our commitment to publishing, and the flagship of all publications is Angewandte Chemie. In this audience, there is no need to tell the virtues of Angewandte Chemie. We all know that this journal is in the top tier of science journals and a leader among general chemistry publications. This is first and foremost because of the excellent authors and the critical and careful referees. Another important reason for Angewandte's success is the international editorial team and the important role of the editorial board and the international advisory board. The international advisory board ensures that Angewandte Chemie is firmly rooted in the international chemical community, and the advisory board members also give valuable advice and publish many high-quality contributions. Publications are the presentation of newly won knowledge. This description of knowledge, however, almost always forms the basis for new questions, for knowledge is never complete. We all agree that excellent basic research is a foundation for solutions to future problems, and too, if not chemistry, should contribute to the solutions. That is why chemistry, our life, our future, is the motto of the International Year of Chemistry 2011, where we celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for Marie Sklodowska-Curie, as we already have heard. Chemical problem-solving expertise is needed now more than ever, so that everybody can here have clean air, safe water, healthy food, reliable medicine, and environmental-friendly products. And materials and energy production must become more sustainable. As chemists, we can make an important contribution here, especially in the search for new materials for energy production and storage. For example, photovoltaic cells or new battery systems. Before I come to the end, let me point out another example of an important international cooperation where we and the Japanese Chemical Society work closely together. Recently, the second Chemical Sciences and Society Summit, called CS3, took place in London. The summit focused mainly on sustainable materials. The participants identified the research that will be necessary for sustainable materials and formulated corresponding recommendations for politics. And the cooperation continues. In September, we will host a Japanese delegation at our science forum in Bremen. We look forward to it, especially for the music performance at the opening session. Let me close with thanks to our host, although the host to the Technical University, and to the German Research Foundation and all those sponsors which helped to make this event possible. We are celebrating 50 years of Angewandte Chemie International Edition. I wish you us all a successful meeting with challenging lectures and vivid discussions.